This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Taylor.demario. Investor Special. This home needs a little TLC, but has great bones. Currently 866 square feet, 1 bed, 1 full bath and 2 extra rooms. The possibilities for renovation are endless. The quaint covered front porch makes for great curb appeal. There is also an additional structure in the backyard which is a mobile home. You could renovate both. For more information, review the details below or contact Taylor.demario at 865-693-1111.